Hello. The purpose of this video is to learn how you can format an APA style essay or paper using Google Docs. This video is geared towards students at the American Language Institute who have access to SDSU software. All right, so how do we start? We're going to go ahead and go to your SDSU Gmail. You're going to go ahead and log in. When you log into your Gmail, you're going to see at the top right-hand corner of your screen the SDSU icon and then either an initial or a picture if you have uploaded a picture to your profile. Now, I am in Google Drive right now, but it's going to be the same icon for your Google Gmail. Once you're on the screen and you see this icon, you'll see the square of 9 dots next to it. You'll go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, you can open Google Docs. Now, this is your special Google Docs from SDSU. What I'm about to show you may or may not be available to you on a personal Google Docs. So make sure you are in your SDSU Google Docs. It says start a new document, and you'll see where it says Report APA. Go ahead and click on Report. So once you've clicked on Report, you will see a very long, complicated document in APA style. Now, we're not going to use most of this complicated instructions and paperwork because, for the most part, you will be concerned with just an essay or a very simple, short paper. So let me show you what you need to do. Let's say, for example, you have your essay. So you'll open up this report. And what you'll do is you'll figure out what is the title of my report. So first of all, for example, you'll see up at the top screen, you'll want to put in the title of your paper. Now, it might be that you need to follow your teacher's instructions in titling your document. So it might, for example, be my name dot, cause effect essay. Or whatever it is that your teacher wants you to put there for the official title of your report. Now, this first page is already done for you. APA requires a title page. It's kind of like the cover of a book. All it has is the title of your essay and your name and some proper formatting. So first of all, you will use the left click button on your mouse. You'll do 2 clicks real quick, double click, where it says title. Here you will enter the title of your essay. Causes of obesity, for example. Let's say that's your title. Okay, that's your title. Click one time. Now down here where it says full title of your paper, click there. And again, you'll put the title of your essay. So we'll put causes of obesity. Then you'll add your name. And where it says name of school or institution, here's where I would like you to put American Language Institute SDSU. Okay, the rest of this first page we do not need. So we're going to go ahead and highlight this and then click on or type on the button that says delete. And this is it for our first page. We're good to go. Now let's look at our second page. There are a lot of unnecessary things in this format that we don't need for your essay. So for example, we do not need an abstract page. So we're going to highlight that you're going to click on delete. All right. And you'll click on delete once, twice, 3 times, and now we're on the proper place to start your essay. Again, you'll want to enter, double click on the title up at the top, and you're going to click the caps key and type in the title of your essay. And that's it there. Click the caps key off. And then we're going to click once on the essay itself. Full title goes here again. Causes of obesity. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and start typing. Here is my essay on the, okay, that's not the sentence you're going to start your essay with, but you're going to be typing here are sentences for my introductory paragraph. Okay, notice I was typing there. I did not hit any kind of button at the end of this line, but Google Docs automatically puts the word right there. All right. Also notice something else about Google Docs. To end your first paragraph with a thesis statement. Okay, so we have some problems here. There's a spelling error here, and you can tell because there's a red squiggly line under that word. If you highlight that word with your mouse and use the right click with the mouse, and it will then give you a suggestion. It knows that that word is misspelled, and it's suggesting here's the correct spelling. If I agree with that, I'm going to use the left click button and click on that correct spelling, and Google will automatically correct it. And look here, I had misspelled statement. Gives me a little line. Let me right click on that, and it looks like it was just formatting it, and it looks like it should be okay. I don't know how to get out of that. We're just going to say normal. That's normal. Okay. So now you're going to just type your essay. Okay. If you want to start your second paragraph, just hit the enter button, and the first cause, blah, 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 blah. You just start typing. Notice that Google has automatically indented the first line of that paragraph, which is exactly what you should be doing. All right, so you'll type your essay. In the meantime, we have all this stuff in the template that we don't need. So we're going to highlight all of these words that we don't need anymore. I'm going to keep going. Highlight all these words we don't need. Keep going. Okay, now we're gonna stop right before the references page. So we're gonna end on the page before references. Everything is highlighted that we don't need, so we're gonna hit the delete key and delete everything. Okay, and it looks like now we have our essay and the references page on the same page, which we don't want. So we're gonna hold down the control key and type enter, and that's going to put references back on its own page. All right, so for regular paper then, you have your file set up. You have the document saved according to the teacher instructions. You have the title, your name, the institution name. First page of the essay is going to look like this, with the title in all capital letters, the title here again, and then your essay, however many paragraphs your teacher is expecting you to write. For some papers, you will also have a final references page at the end of your paper. If your teacher does not want you to have a references page, then go ahead and highlight this whole thing and delete this page. But if you do need a references page, this is here for you. The format has already been set up for this special page. And that, my friends, is how to set up the APA style document using Google Suites. Good luck, and please remember to ask your teacher if you need any help.